Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to tell you how to get gift codes and redeem items in eFootball. So first of all, if you would like to do that, you must link your Konami ID to your game account and submit active codes through the official redemption portal or in-game production tab. So the feature is introduced by Konami, so that is why you need to link your Konami ID. Now as you open your eFootball application, you're going to have to head to Extras menu and then simply tap on Support and link Konami ID. Now if you would like to redeem the gift codes, what you have to do is you can do it directly from in-game redemption from your mobile. Go to Extras on the main dashboard once you're logged into your eFootball account and then choose Support. Under there, select Special Promotions and tap on Enter Gift Code. As you do that, simply type or paste your active code exactly as formatted and hit submit. And as you do that, if the code is valid, you will be able to redeem it. Thank you for watching.